I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. What the Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speed makes profit. Chewbacca, my fine buddy friend. Yes, as we discussed, you can leave the ship here. Spaceport has plenty of room, especially for the Falcon. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, that goes so far. I found you the perfect ship. Hold on, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Ohnaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money. Hurry now, time is money. Engineers. Automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. No gunners. Auto weapons engaged. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! There it is! After that train! Pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I am the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Cargo's breaking, shooting! Good job, my friend! Yes! We got the coaxium! I will grab it! You keep after the train! A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! We're trying to get out of here! Oops! A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get up. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. Time for you to go, and don't worry, the payment is on the way, trust me.